everyone, welcome to curiosmethod.com. In this video, we are going to learn about JMeter listeners. These are most important part of any JMeter test script because these are the places where you can view your result of your test script. So every test script should have this to view the result. So we will study here two types of listeners which are most commonly used. Let us see and add or try to add a listener. So you can add it from here. View result tree listener. In this listener, you can view the result in terms of different sampler. So here we have multiple samplers. Let me rename this, and we can view the result for each sampler in detail. So let me run this and see. Okay, okay. Silly mistake. Okay, okay. So now we have the correct list. Okay. So here we can see that the request is successful. Here we can see the request details. There are no cookies. As we have not specified any headers, it is showing the header which is default. Then response data. Okay. So what we can do, we can we can specify here a file name if you want to write our result into some file, and if you want to write only errors or only success part of the report, then we can select that as well. uh, so this is about this report. Okay, now we can have a different view of the particular report. We can view it in the HTML format. We can see. So we can use it as a regex tester. We can write the regular expression and test it whether we are able to extract particular value from the response or not. So these are the things which we can do with this listener. Then second listener is aggregate report. Okay. Let me tell you one thing. So whatever listeners we have in JMeter, they all collect the same data, but the presentation or the visualization part of each report is different. So let's clear and run the test again. Okay. So here you can see the average response time in milliseconds. Here you can see 90% of the time what was the response time, minimum, maximum, error percentage if there is an error, and here we can see the throughput with which it was running the data, the received data and the send data in terms of kbs per second. So these are the details you can get for aggregate report. You can write the data and specify a file name, or after running this, you can save the data into a CSV using this save table data option. Also, you can write only errors or successes as it was there for the view result tree. So these are commonly used listeners. If you have any questions or any feedback related to this, you can write it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.